Okay, YouTube, I'm Rap from Rap's Garage Shop, and now back on my bad boy. I'm going to put the umbrella valves in the rocker box middle pieces and then put the rocker box covers on. So check it out, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. In case you haven't seen my last video, I will put that up in the corner up here at the end of this video, but it's important that you watch that. I bought the James gasket kit, and the James gasket umbrella valves, they don't fit right, and that's what that video is about. So I didn't say this in my video, but I did wind up getting factory Harley-Davidson umbrella valves for this. So we're going to go with that, and this is the install. So to put them in, it's pretty simple. You just line them up here, you turn it over, and as you're giving it a push with your index finger, you just kind of pull the nub, and that puts them right in just like that. You can see that they're in and they're down, and these always go in where the ports are for the vents. So it would go in like this. Now I already have the rubber gasket on this. Now I'm going to install the other one on the other side. See, that one's in. Then just slip it in like so. Now that I have both the middle covers in with the umbrella valves, now I'm going to put the top covers on. And those top covers look like this. First you have to put the gaskets for the top cover to the middle cover in. The middle cover to the lower cover gaskets are already in. Here's the gasket here. The curved side faces the front on both heads. Alright, that one's in. Now the cover. There you have it. Let's kind of align it real quick. Now I'm going to make sure the gasket's in all the way around. Now this cover. Alright, the gaskets are in on both sides. Next thing you have to dig out is this bag. You can see here there's 8 of each. Like I said, I'm not going to use the copper ones. I've never used those before. I'll stick with the paper ones. Each one of the 4 bolts gets one of these paper ones. I believe back in the day I changed these out to polished stainless, and you can see the washer that holds these down is really thick. And then the gasket goes on it like this. And then you just put them in. I'll do the rest off camera. So you can see right here in the manual, it says the tight nose screws 10 to 14 foot-pounds. I'm going to do 120 inch-pounds using my inch-pound torque wrench. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around at 60 inch-pounds and torque them all up. And then I'll go back around at 120. I'll do the rest of them off camera. So that completes the install of the rocker boxes. Now on to the intake manifold. You know what to do. Helps my channel get all this awesome content for free. You know how it is.